Nanababo kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nana of Korean Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. Today guys, nandito po tayo sa Mabalacat and this is our second time to be here in this place. Now, previously known as T4U Cafe, now it's T4U Korean Convenience Store. We're gonna give you a quick tour and let's talk to Sir Ryan, one of the owners ng shop na to discuss more about their new setup.
Hi, my name is Ryan Kananan. I'm one of the owner of T4U Korean Convenience Store. Kadem ko nangyayari. So, inalis nila yung dine-in. Kasi dine-in kasi lahat to eh. So, ginawa na lang namin na Korean store. Korean goods. Kasi lahat ng mga idimat kasi yung Korean.
Yes.
Lalo ng mga samji, mga meat, mga lahat. Isip ko na gawin na lang convenience store. Ngayon, ang pangalan ngayon ng ang shop namin ng dating T4U Cafe, ginawa na namin T4U Convenience Korean Store. Ang mga halos na mga nabibili naman kasi yung mga meat, mga pork, mga beef, tsaka yung mga paste na ginagamit at tsaka mga lettuce. Sa mga noodles na rin po. Nag-open kami 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. po. Same din sa Grab. Meron silang cut-off until 7:30 p.m.
So yun nga kabalin, no? They have upgraded from just a cafe into a Korean convenience store. So let me just cite some of the products available here. If you notice guys, meron po tayong mga noodles dito. At my back, meron tayong mga pastes, as well as yung mga ginagamit natin pang samgupsal like the butane or yung stove and the griller. So meron din tayong mga ingredients for kimchi. So if you're planning to do homemade kimchi, so you can get your ingredients here. So meron din akong nakita dito na I think this is their own product. It's T4U Special Suka. So hindi lang siguro Korean products yung nandito, as well as mga local goods din. So like this chicharon, almost everything you can get here, like frozen meat natin, other ingredients for the shabu-shabu. For more information, you can check out their fan page. You can message them kung available po yung Korean product na hinahanap ninyo. Check out our table. Ayan. So in a while, we're gonna be taste testing this and samahan niyo po kami. This is the most exciting part. Check out our table for today. But we would just like to disclaim guys, this is not a dining setup.
You could see yung mga packaging ng mga food natin is nakapang ready to go food na sila.
Yes. We want to show you kung ano yung mga available na food sa menu nila. And yeah, let's get into them one by one.
So mga milk teas and drinks nila. So meron tayo dito sa table natin. So meron tayong snow bubble mango. Meron din tayong snow bubble strawberry. Meron tayong winter melon with cream puff, choco Nutella, choco Hershey's, and matcha Kit Kat. So yung mga size nila from small to 1 liter. For appetizer naman natin, meron tayo ditong BLT burger and yung classic club sandwich nila. At the same time, kung gusto nyo naman mag-sambi, pwede tayong bumili dito ng mga ingredients pang samgyeopsal.
So sa mga main entrees naman, if you can recall guys, this is one of my favorites na feature namin dati. This is their seafood deluxe. Meron din silang beef nachos. And of course, for our top silog series, meron tayong corn silog, di ba mawawala dyan, top silog. And then spam silog, this is the chicken or the chick silog, bangus silog, and the pork silog meals. Again guys, these are available. If you can check out their page sa GrabFood, these are available for orders and deliveries, and soon they will be available sa Food Panda. Okay, as we always say, fun part of the vlog is taste testing yung mga food na pin-prepare para sa atin. And last to arrive, guys, I can still remember, this is their, barcada platter, or of course, right now, nasa barcada on-the-go box siya. This consists yung mga favorite finger food natin, mga, fishball,
chips, fries, kikiam, and chicken balls.
Alright, so we won't bore you long, guys. Tikman na natin yung mga pagkain nila. So, tikman muna natin yung mga silog meals. We would like to thank T4U Cafe, now known as T4U Korean Convenience Store. These are available po sa menu nila. What's also good here is they have an in-house delivery.
Yes. Kung gusto nyo magpa-deliver from the T4U menu, they could also deliver sa bahay nyo.
Alright, so tinikman ko na yung corn silog nila. This is their, of course, corned beef silog meals. And what's good about here is, if you're looking for a breakfast meal all throughout the day,
Yes.
available po sila dito.
So akin naman yung nila, club sandwich. Yeah. So in fairness sa club sandwich nila, loaded na, malaki pa.
It's huge and loaded. This is their version of Choco Nutella. Oh wow, so refreshing. Grabe. So yung seafood deluxe nila, guys, it has shrimps, mussels, corn, and lots and lots of garlic. Yeah, I really like this.
Feeling ko ito masarap to sa kanin.
Actually.
Ito naman yung barcada platter nila. Sample kung kayo mahilig na manood ng movie, you could order this one. Add ko lang sa mga sumagpanggap sa bahay na ayaw na lumabas. Also at T4U Korean Convenience Store na mag-deliver sa inyo ng mga meat products like beef and pork.
Exactly, like you have to pay. Actually, everything is here.
Yeah.
Nandito na lahat ng hinahanap nyo. Alright, so there you have it, guys. We hope we were able to inform you about this new setup ng T4U Cafe, now known as T4U Korean Convenience Store. And check out their products. Ang dami pong mga pagpipilian dito ng mga Korean items na you might be probably looking for. Now, available din po yung mga menu nila for the T4U, like our silog, our seafood deluxe, yung mga milkteas natin and other refreshments, they are also available. And kagandahan dyan, available sila sa GrabFood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Any recommendations coming from you guys will be highly appreciated. And we hope to see you on the next video.
So that's it. Thank you for watching more in Pampanga. Until our next episode. Peace out.
Bye!